In this video I'll be showing you how you can add a flicker shake effect in Davinci Resolve 18, and in the future versions it is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Davinci Resolve project and find your clip that you want to add the effect on. Then from here, when you find the effect or the clip, you want to duplicate it by holding Alt and drag it right upside the original clip, like so. Then from here you need to right click on the duplicated clip and open it in the Fusion page. Then from here you need to go and hold Ctrl plus spacebar and click in Transform XF, like so. Then from here you need to change the edges from canvas to mirror and go up to center and modify it with the shake, like so. Then from here you need to go up to modifiers and bring down the smoothness of the effect just a tiny bit. Then you need to go to minimum and change it from 0.0 to a 0.3 and the maximum from a 1.0 to 0.7 instead. Then you need to go over to tool page and go down to the transform and click Control spacebar. Then you need to add a stop motion effect and put the frame down to about 3. Then from here you need to go over to the timeline again, stop motion, and add the flicker addition and put down range. You need to put on top and the speed a little down, like so. So it's gonna look something like this. Then from here you need to add a blur, zoom blur, like so, and a soft glow, like so. And then when we go out here, you can see the final project should be looking something a little like this. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!